Hi, this is Arya. Please subscribe to Doctor City.
நீஹா ஆயில் தூய கல்ச்செக்கு எண்ணெய்க்கு.
Thank you so much for being here, sir. Thank you. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And you've been one of the most admired villains of our time. Uh, in fact, when we had a discussion with our team as to whom should we interview next, so we had a lot of names in mind, but I was very very particular about interviewing you because when you look at your career, your filmography, you've done so much of movies across languages, and the kind of experience and the kind of knowledge you have gained in terms of cinema and acting. I think if you can share it to us, it will be something really great. And we at Doctor Cinema always believe in giving our audience something new, and it's more of an infotainment and mixed with entertainment. So even the celebrities who come here, who talk about their experience, it is something which is enlightening for the audience who watch it, and also for the aspiring actors who are there out watching this interview. So I would like to welcome you to my show.
Thank you.
So much.
Thank
How are you, sir? How are you?
Good, good. I'm fine. Thank you, my dear.
Yes,
Nice
sir.
to be here with you.
Thank you, sir. Pleasure is ours. Pleasure is ours. So let me start by asking you the one question which I always wanted to ask you, because actors are the tool through which directors narrate the story. They bring life the characters to screen, and people associate you with actor than your name. So, for example, in Singham 2, we associated with you as the villain who gave a tough competition for the hero. And so people associate actors with characters. So, how do you like to define acting? If you have to define acting or if you have to define cinema, how would it be?
Cinema was always like this. When I was young, I used to adore people on the screen, and I want to wear clothes like Dharamji and like Rishi Kapoor. So I think today people think the same way of me. I think it's just very natural because on screen we glorify everything, and that is it's supposed to be like that. And if we're doing some hero is doing some good, we think that it reaches to the good people also. And if something bad is happening, which is very important for the story, and because it's happening everywhere, so triumph of hero over evil is very necessary in the story. And yes, we are actors, so people follow us, and they like you so much that they even identify your character. They even don't realize that you're a normal person who's playing a particular thing, like working in some factory or a corporate, and some work is given to you. You're doing that job. This is the same thing. And I think we are very lucky people, that people adore us like this, and they always forget you as a Mukesh Rishi, and they always remember your character played by you. And I think this is really amazing, and that's why we actors are very blessed. I must say this.
True, very true. Because I still remember I was watching Singham 2 in theaters, and there was a kid who was sitting next to me, and the mom was saying, "See, if you don't eat, if you don't watch the movie without making noise, I'll ask him to come and grab you and go." So
Yeah.
that was the kind of impact which the character created. So when people this is like more like a anxiety question I have inside me, that when you prepare for a role, let it be any character or any language it can be, what is the basic preparation or what is the pre-prep you do before you start playing that character when the camera rolls?
See, when a role comes to me, it comes very late. It's
Okay.
already been done, already been thought of. It has gone through so many brains, and we are not like hero who's involved right from the beginning. It comes very late, and it comes filtered to us. So now here the narration comes. Okay, this is the role. This is what you're doing, and sometimes because when you're doing not Hindi or South Indian films, automatically a change comes to the people because an actor from Bombay wearing those kind of costumes which are worn in Madras or Andhra or in Tamil Nadu, that gives us a very different kind of look. So, and only sometime we try to gather some nuance of the character, okay, how they behave. Uh, there are particular areas where some people behave like this. It's everywhere. They are in Punjab, they are in Maharashtra, they are in Andhra and Tamil Nadu also. Sometimes we try to grab and sometimes they tell us. Because we can't do much research of a Tamil role or Telugu role. And so if we get a lot of help from the writers, some of the director, assistants, they tell us, Rayalaseema character is in Andhra, very popular area. They behave like this. And sometimes, when these things are already discussed and created for you, and it's a huge help. And sometimes, yes, they discuss with us, they tell us what you want to do, let us know how we can do it. So then our participation starts. So it's either way, our duty is to make happy director should feel good that this particular actor is my choice and I'm very happy with this performance. So I stick to that only. You have taken me, it's my duty to make sure that you're happy with my performance. So I don't go much, think much about other things. My main thing is that you are happy because you have called me, you have given me a role, and my duty is to perform to my capacity best. So that's what I normally do. Mostly, I'm doing this.
Okay. So, how do you memorize your lines, sir? That is more important because when we look at yourself, when you act in the movies, even though it is dubbed voice, but we don't feel it. It goes, the equal credit goes to you as well because the actor has.
Yes. Even today, because now I've done a lot of films in all the different languages. Maybe the tuning has done now. In earlier stage, it was very, very difficult. And then they are experienced. I'm new one for them, but they are experienced. They used to tell us, okay, do this. You can say things in Hindi, or there was a few ways to do the things. But I always wanted to go step ahead. For me, it's not only taking the simple path. They have shown us the simple path. Okay, we are ready to help you. But language is very must as an actor. So I used to practice different way, which way I can come close to the languages, which is my style. Because my mind was not accepting to learn all the lines. Because one day I'm shooting in Telugu and maybe other few days I'm doing a Tamil or a Kannada film. So it was very difficult to grab all the languages at the same time. But yes, even today, I'm as nervous as my first film when the line comes. And I only concentrate about those lines. I don't think about anything else. Yes, I think about Hindi and I create my character and I discuss with the director, this is what I want to. Sometimes I show it in Hindi. Okay, I'm going to say my lines, same lines in Hindi, just see you want like this. And he say, okay, exactly I want like this. Or maybe I want little this way or that way. So character is confirmed now. No, the main thing is how we're going to deliver the lines. So there we practice and practice. It's like a baby. I'm right like a baby over there. It's a thing, new thing again for me. It's not how many films I've done, but what I'm going to do in this film. This is very important. It's a different test. This is different.
Yeah.
So I have to be good. I have to be perfect. I have to be honest. So that's I've been doing. So what happens in that bargain? We have found a way to lip sync things, but it has lip sync. You just can't lip sync. It has to go with your expression, and it has to go with your requirement. So I think all the actors has their own style. Some of them they can memorize things very easily. And I'm not one of them who can memorize easily. So I found my way to lip sync properly and giving the expression which are required. So I think these things comes with little practice. And yes, one should be ready to learn things. You should not relax in front of the camera because it's my duty to give best. So this is my few things. I'm always very nervous and I'm always up to the alertness that I have to be giving my best shot. It doesn't mean they are allowing me, okay, you can speak in Hindi. No, I have to give my best shot. This is my duty to perform good to my ability. So I think maybe the result is always better. You can see, as you said, my lip syncs are as perfect, almost close to the original lip sync. But that's the hard work for me.
But how are you able to make it effortlessly look recite dialogues in not your mother tongue? That is really sets you apart from the crowd. I mean, that is the biggest learning. If I have to learn from you as an actor, I would definitely take this learning. Like the effortlessly, the way, right from the body language to the dialogues to delivering or convincing the audience that you are the character, that involves some kind of, or is it that from birth you have that acting in you, or it took some time for you to recognize?
No, no, you don't get anything by birth. Maybe some ability you get, and then you polish yourself. If you're going in the same line, what I will say, when you become a professional actor, or you want to become a professional actor, this is not a problem. You are an actor. Your capacity is to grab things. Somebody is telling me I must have a capacity to grab what he's saying. But doesn't mean I have gone through that. No, actor can't practice first and then perform. There's no time for that. You have
Okay.
hours. You have few hours only. Maybe in the evening is told you're doing this character tomorrow. This is your scene, and then you keep on thinking. So as a human being, you see today's problem with generation is they are not going out. They are finding everything in the laptop or this mobile. That is not good at all. If you want to be if you want to be in a corporate society, or you want to be an actor, or anything, you need to see people. You need to meet people. You need to see things, what is happening in the restaurant. See, like me, if I'm sitting in the restaurant, of course, I'm focusing on if you're sitting with me, but certainly I'm watching everything. Maybe in some corner of the restaurant, something is going on which is wonderful. So we grab those things. That's actor's job, and
Okay.
it can even you can practice as a journalist, or as an anchor, how to ask questions. You have to find your ways. You have to keep on observing and learning things. Acting is all about this. You know, let's see how a German can cry and how a Punjabi father can cry, how a Maharashtrian or Telugu father can cry. There is very little difference. So we are always known that I'm a loud father, I'm a controlled father, I'm an educated father. So almost 90% job is done. How an educated person will react, and then I give my own experience to it. Okay, if I'm behaving like this, how I'll react to my son if he has done something wrong. So these kind of little exercise is always there, and we try to involve in that particular character, and then you're a professional. Now it's not very difficult. Beginning stage is difficult, but if you are serious and grabbing small things along with your life, and then it will help you. It really helps.
Definitely. I mean, like, I just want to know one thing: that what do you look out in a script when someone, let it be any director or producer, approaches you for a film? What is that one first thing which you look out in a script? Is it the character or the story, or who is the lead actor, or what is it one thing you look out for in a movie?
Honestly, tell you today we are not, when script is they're making, it's very rare that we come to know that I'm doing this film. So we
Okay.
only come in the picture when everything is ready.
Okay.
Very few films in my life which they have discussed with me in the early stage. So you are
Okay.
not part of that at all. So when it comes, that's why maybe you, as a character artist, you have to be very sharp, because hero is involved right from the beginning. If he's playing a gully boy, he knows I'm doing this a film of gully boy, and his exercise is on. Maybe he starts going out and playing cricket with the street kids, maybe playing a football. So in our case, film comes in the last stage. It hardly happened with me that in the beginning stage I'm doing something and they have come, okay, you're doing this role. No, it's not had never happened with me. So we have to be very sharp. We can't ask, okay, give me 15 days or 20 days, I'll prepare this character and come back. No, my dear, then you are not there.
Okay.
So
Okay.
maybe that kind of practice, that kind of alertness, all the characters should, I think they should realize this. They will not get chance to prepare your characters. So that's why, my right from my childhood, I'm a very outgoing person. If I'm
Okay.
sitting alone, even then I'm happy. But I must sit a place where I'm feeling happy,
Okay.
right? So if I'm sitting outside, sitting under the tree, I'm very happy. But certainly I'm gaining something. I'm learning something. Maybe following some bird, some ant. So this allows me to gauge things different way. This is very important. Maybe somebody think, what is this? No, you are, see, sky is such huge sky and you can't find anything in the sky. This is wrong,
Yeah.
right? You're sitting in a place and you have a huge park and nothing interests you in that park. So it means you are not there. Go and sleep, take some tablet. So I'm not that kind of person. I'm always open. I must enjoy whatever is there. Maybe beautiful flies there, I'm enjoying. I'm looking. Maybe I'm thinking what I want to think. I'm thinking, but still I'm enjoying the openness of where I'm sitting. So this is very important for an actor to be sharp because film won't come in your first stage. They always come in the last stage. Very few actors, maybe those big actors, when they play character role, it's same story with them. They always involved right from the beginning. But we character artists, we don't get to involve in the early stage. You always things comes in the last, and then you have to prepare yourself.
What is the biggest advantage when it comes to being at the last, being approached at last? What is the biggest advantage?
See, one thing is I don't complain.
Okay.
To be very professional, and I have to understand how the system goes. How can I say, why did you come to me when you started writing? I can't do that. And see, I have learned things right from the beginning, and they are just gone inside me. I have no problem. You call me tonight. I'm a soldier. You got my point? I'm sleeping. 2 o'clock, call comes, soldier ready. You have to go there. Okay, sir, I'm ready. See, I'm a soldier actor. You call me 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock in the night, so tomorrow, Mukesh, sorry, there is some problem. So we need you tomorrow. This is a role. Okay, I'm happy with the role. Okay, sir, I'm coming tomorrow. We'll manage. So I manage that first scene and then we'll start discussing. Okay, sir, tell me something. Oh, this. Okay. So you have to have this quality in you. Otherwise, as a character artist, you can't survive. It's very difficult in our industry because all the actors are not involved in right from the beginning when a story takes birth. No, story takes birth, it goes to the producer or to director, and then they finalize. First thing they finalize is actor, and then probably the heroine. And then when hero says yes, then everything's and then he's involved. So I only feel that I don't think of why not me, why don't you involve me? No, sir. All stories are not, they don't require us right from the beginning. So what I have to do with the other 80% story when my part is only 10% or 15%? So I don't have to be there. So what I need as a professional person, I just ask few questions. Okay, what kind of bad man is this? What kind of grandfather is this? Is a strong fellow or a weak fellow? If he's a weak fellow, so being a fit person, I have to bring weakness in me. That weakness will come in my walk. When I'm picking up something, I'm a weak person. So those kind of thing is because I'm a fit person. And if you ask me, I'm playing 80 years. So I'll ask the question, what kind of 80-year person is this? Is a sick person? Is a weak person? Or is a villager man? So village still 80 is nothing. They walk straight, they just bend and pick up something. So these kind of small things we just gather and give little color to the particular character.
Okay. So
நீஹா ஆயில் தூய கல் செக்கு எண்ணெய்க்கு